you, like I said, to buy something expensive with less money. So imagine now it allows you to go maybe to trade even, I don't know, maybe 100 troy ounce. So for example, if you trade 100 troy ounce, you need only $9,000. If you was going to trade 100 troy ounce without leverage, 100 multiply by 4,555, okay, that would be almost $500,000. That's how much you would need in order for you to be able to buy that much with your bank, for example. Almost $500,000 for 100 troy ounce. You with me? But with your broker, for example, you would need only $9,000. And let me show you your potential. So look at here. If you believe that the gold is going to go to, let's say, $5,600, exactly the price where it was, okay? You see, take profit. It allows you to calculate your profit. And then I want you to pay attention to this box here. It shows you reward, okay? It shows you reward, and it shows you $104,000. Okay, and it represents 7,900%. This is your potential reward. That's how much you expect to make if you invest $9,000 in gold and leave it there, for example, until the price at least goes to the price where it already was. But the price is expected to go even higher, as you could notice. But let's say the price is going to go back like it always does. Every single time it hits the record high, it goes down because of the profit taking, but then it goes back to the record high before it goes to the next record. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So if you believe that it's going to go to that level, for example, okay, your potential is to make $103,000, investing only, let's say, $10,000 into it. That's kind of potential that you get in your trading account, should you have one. You with me?
Yeah.
Of course, I'm giving you that as an example. This could be not 100 troy ounce. This could be, for example, just 10, right? If you invest 10, that's going to be $900, right? But your potential now is to make $10,000. You understand? 10,396. So of course, it depends on how much you want to invest, okay? And versus how much you want to get back in return. If you don't want to wait until gold goes to 5,600 and you want it, let's say, to go to, I don't know, like just 5,000, right? So you believe it's going to go to 5,000 first. So then if you invest, let's say 900, then your potential profit is to make 4,300. So it's still about 335% return on your investment. That's why you understand your returns as an investor, because you invest that much and you calculate your return on investment, right? ROI. You with me?
Yeah.
So this is how you make money in trading, right? So you just simply select a right direction and then you set up. Let's say if I was going to buy gold now, all I need is just to click on buy and leave it. And my trade will close automatically once the price gonna go and reach that level, right? And I'm gonna make that money without even doing anything because the trade will run on the autopilot. By the way, we just have 1 minute left and our Zoom session will be ending, okay? Now, what I wanted to discuss with you quickly, can we just reconnect again? So that I can finish with you quickly. Maybe we need